Today I'm going to teach you how to count checkboxes in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you're tracking completed tasks, survey responses, or any list where you need to know exactly how many items have been checked off. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to your Google Workspace, open your browser, and head over to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, sign in using your Google account credentials. Make sure you're logged into the account that contains the spreadsheet you want to work with, as this ensures you have access to all your documents and files. After logging in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard. This is where all your Google apps and recent documents are displayed. Take a moment to locate the specific spreadsheet where you want to count checkboxes. It might be in your recent files, or you may need to browse through your Google Sheets folder to find it. Once you've spotted it, go ahead and click on it to open the spreadsheet. Now that your spreadsheet is open, you'll see all your data, including the checkboxes you want to count. Click on any empty cell where you want the count to appear. This cell will display the total number of checkboxes, so choose a location that makes sense for your layout, perhaps at the top or bottom of your checkbox column. Here's where the formula comes in. Type equals count. If with an opening parenthesis, this function will scan a range of cells and count how many meet a specific condition. Next, click on the first cell that contains a checkbox, then hold down your Shift key and click on the last cell in your checkbox range. This action highlights all the cells in between, creating the range you want to count. You'll see the cell references appear in your formula automatically. After defining your range, add a comma. This separates the range from the condition you're about to specify. Now type true in quotation marks. This tells the formula to count only the checkboxes that are actually checked, since checkboxes have a value of true in Google Sheets. Finally, close the formula with a closing parenthesis and press the Enter key to execute it. The cell will now display a number representing how many checkboxes are currently checked in your selected range. To verify that your formula is working correctly, try checking and unchecking various checkboxes in your range. You'll notice that the count automatically updates each time you change a checkbox status. This real-time counting makes it perfect for tracking progress on projects or monitoring completion rates. And there you have it, you've successfully set up a checkbox counter in Google Sheets that dynamically tracks your checked items. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.